Welcome to Outgrow. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through how to create a powerful ROI calculator step by step. Whether you're a marketer, consultant, or SaaS founder, this interactive tool can help you generate leads and showcase your product's real value. Step 1. Start a new calculator. First, log into your Outgrow dashboard and click Numerical Calculator as your content type. Step 2. Choose a template. Outgrow offers ready-made ROI calculator templates for different industries. You can start from scratch or pick one that fits your use case. Step 3, customize questions. Next, customize the questions to collect the right inputs from users. These could include spend, conversion rate, deal size, or any data point that impacts. Step 4, add formula. Now let's add the formula that calculates ROI automatically. Go to the results screen section and enter your equation in each result. Step 5, customize the results page. Once your formula is set, design the results page. Personalize it with text, charts, and call to action buttons to encourage users to take the next step. Step 6, branding and design. Customize colors, fonts, and layout to match your brand. Outgrow makes it easy to adjust everything in the overall design tab. Step 7, preview and publish. When you're happy with your calculator, click preview to test it. Then hit go live to publish. You can embed it on your website or share it via link. And that's it. You've built your own interactive ROI calculator with Outgrow. Start engaging visitors and generating qualified leads today. Ready to get started? Sign up for Outgrow's free trial and start building today